Hi, I'm JB Atkins,
And Rebecca.
and we're Dual Dragons. Welcome to another Maintenance Monday.
So today we are going to be focusing on the spine.
Yeah, so that includes all the muscles that attach to the spine, which Rebecca will point out.
So we have the erectors, and we're also, when we do flexion, the QL, they're off to the side.
Also a little bit of the abdominals.
Abdominals,
Yes.
erectus, abdominis, and then we have the obliques,
Transverse.
the transverse.
So similar to the neck, that's pretty much what we're going to be doing, but for the spine.
Yes.
And of course, the
Solar plexus,
yes,
the chakra, which is the yellow circle.
I love the yellow shirt.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get started. We are going to continue like we do every Maintenance Monday with the dragon breath, or the 3 phases of breathing, which is guided by Rebecca, and I'm going to be demonstrating.
Okay. So again, we're going to take a deep inhale through our tummy only, then exhale. We're going to do another deep inhale, but this one we're going to hold for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And on this third exhale is when we release the position we're in. We're going to go back to neutral. So those are the 3 phases.
Of course, it's a friendly reminder when you do this in any stretch, this breathing technique, the last breath is to kind of help you minimize the potential of cramping of the muscle that you just kind of relax or remind it how its truest length, maximum range could be. So let's get started.
Okay. So first what we're going to do is we're going to start with
Posture.
shoulders back, and then we're going to go ahead and do an extension first. So we're going to extend the back, so now sideways so they can see better. So we're just going to extend. Try not to do the head. Yeah, we just want to focus, because if you're going to add the neck, we're doing other muscles. So again, stand straight up. We're just going to focus on extending the spine only. Okay, inhale, exhale, inhale one more time, hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale, inhale, and on the exhale, you're going to move back to neutral. If standing is not ideal for you, you could sit on your chair, just sit on the edge of the chair and just do the extension. You know, if you have that fear of possibly falling and you don't have good balance, you could do it on your chair. But like I said, just get to the edge of your chair so you could do the extension. And you don't have to do a lot. Just until that spot where you kind of feel like you can't go no more, stop there. That's all you have to do.
Again, a second alternative would be getting those big workout balls you see that sometimes they use in offices as like chairs. So it's like just call it workout balls, and then of course the company has a different name to it. So carefully, obviously, sit on the edge, and then you kind of roll back.
Into it. Yeah.
Roll back. So that'll be a safety alternative for you, or pillows.
Mm-hmm. Also pillows, yeah. That's another safe one. Just laying on the bed and put some pillows to kind of give you that arch. Okay, next one, stand sideways again. Now we're going to just do flexion of the spine. So it's just like a little crunch. We're really not bending over, because that would not be the spine, that would be more of the hip. So we're going to just crunch our tummy in, and again, inhale.
Again, my shoulders not rolling in.
Yeah, posture straight, shoulders back, just crunch. And then inhale, exhale, inhale and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And on the exhale, come back. Okay? So that was extension and flexion of the spine. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do lateral flexion. So that's its left. We're going to go to the left. And you could just, it's your arm just slice down on the side of your leg.
An alternative, if you feel like you need more stretch, you could kind of do like a ballerina or basketball or hook shot, which then you'll feel a slight stretch, but the main focus is a crunch along the side.
Okay. So inhale, exhale, inhale and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time, and on the exhale, you go back to neutral, slowly.
Well, side note, as you may notice, as my body was engaging and really taking the oxygen and some of the tension I had in my limitation of my body, it allowed to the release, hence why I kept on going further and further. I wasn't shifting my hip, as you notice, it was fairly stable, but I just kept on going because now I have more range of motion because this amazing stretching and breathing techniques we were sharing with you today.
Okay, now we're going to do lateral flexion to the right.
Or if you don't want to raise your arms, again, just let it hang. The focus is the side crunch. Not moving the hips, trying to get the curvature. Plant your feet, kind of like Superman or Superwoman. Just enough.
Enough, yeah. It's like your hand will end up like close to the knee if you just go along the side of the leg. So again, inhale, exhale, inhale one more time and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And on the exhale, you come back to neutral.
Whew, must have been time.
Yes. So for the next one, we're going to do some rotation of the spine only. Again, try to avoid moving the hip. We're not moving the hip. We're only rotating your spine. Okay?
This is okay. We're just finding what's your maximum range. This breathing and stretching techniques, of course, is to help you open up and discover the new limits.
And also, like we said, try to avoid rotating the hip. Same with the neck. Try to avoid rotating. So just rotate the body. Head is stuck on your head. It does not turn. And rotate to the left. What is that rotation?
Well, do the rest of that visual.
Okay, so rotate to the right. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale again and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And on the exhale, you come back to neutral. Now we're going to rotate to the left. Again, do not move the hip or the neck. So hip is straight. Okay. So now we're going to inhale. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And on the exhale, you come back to neutral. Okay, turn around. So now we focused on the spine. And last time we focused on the heart chakra when we did the chest muscles. Today, since we focus more on the spine, and usually it's more with the abs and the mid-back, we're going to focus on the solar plexus, which is right where your stomach is. Solar plexus, remember, turns clockwise. It's this bright yellow light energy circle that turns here. So now I want you to take a nice deep inhale to our solar plexus chakra. And exhale, all release anything that could possibly be blocking this chakra. Inhale one more time. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release all that blockage. Make it bright yellow. Make this yellow even brighter and bigger. Turning clockwise. Inhale and more of the yellow chakra. Exhale anything left that could possibly block it. Okay. Our solar plexus chakra is really important. It's like the center. It's about your health. So you really should work on that chakra when it comes to health.
And of course, you're looking back at some of our videos, you can see that we address each of the chakras in this breathing technique. As a guided meditation, you can listen to that. Now, if you have any other questions, we'd be happy to address it. Just reach out to us on our Facebook group or on our website at duodragons.com. We'd be happy to help and look forward to serving you.
Yes. And we'll see you next Monday at 8 p.m.
Remember to stay healthy and breathe intentionally.